Good morning, everyone. I am pretty much getting ready to give you a quick tour of the living room, because the last time that I showed y'all the living room, it was really dark. Remember, we don't have lights in the living room, so we had to go get some lamps, and his parents gifted us with two beautiful lamps. I'm washing these dishes right quick, and then I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the living room. Oh yeah, y'all, and remember, they said with the kitchen set, Price Busters said that they are going to gift us with a kitchen set, because the kitchen set we have now was broken. They're going to gift us with a kitchen set, a gray one, because everything in here is gray. I want gray and turquoise, right? But washing these damn dishes. Ouch! Water had is cracked. Oh my God! You guys turn that water down. That water is horrible. Anyways, I'm back. I'm gonna show y'all real quick the lamps that his parents gave us, and so this is that's the kitchen set, y'all. I don't know if y'all seen that, but see that bench? Oh, I don't know if you can. What the heck? What? All right, that's the bench, y'all. God damn it! I don't know if I'm doing it right or not. Anyways, that's the living room set, y'all. These the lamps his parents gave us. They really cute. I don't know if you can really see them. See? Really cute, right? But that's it. Just really quick. But we got a lot to do today, so I gotta get ready to start getting myself together. I love y'all. And we'll talk to y'all later. You wanna say hi, baby? He's excited.